Tucked along the sun-soaked shores of Ayia Napa in Cyprus, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach has built a reputation as a family-friendly spot that draws holidaymakers from across Europe and beyond. Sitting on Nissi Avenue, just a short stroll from one of the island's most famous stretches of sand, this resort blends Scandinavian style with Mediterranean sunshine in a way that feels both familiar and refreshingly relaxed. With a TripAdvisor score hovering around 4.1 from more than 570 reviews, it clearly hits the mark for many travelers, though as with any resort, the experience can vary. Guests often describe it as a comfortable base for exploring the island, one that leans into the laid-back beach vibe without trying too hard to be flashy. This review takes a closer look at what visitors can expect when they book a stay here. From the rooms to the pools, the dining to the kids' clubs, we will walk through the full picture. Starting with the rooms, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach offers a variety of accommodation styles designed to suit couples, families, and small groups traveling together. The property is often described as having a modern Scandinavian design, which means guests can expect clean lines, light color palettes, and functional layouts rather than heavy ornamentation. Rooms typically come with the essentials you would want on a Mediterranean holiday, including air conditioning, private bathrooms, and either balconies or terraces that let in the sea breeze. Many units are set up as family rooms with extra bed configurations, making it easier for parents traveling with children to spread out and get comfortable. The overall feel is bright, breezy, and practical, which fits nicely with the beach location. Views from the rooms vary depending on where you are placed within the resort, with some offering direct or partial sea views and others looking out over the pool areas or the tropical gardens that dot the grounds. Higher floors tend to give the best perspective, especially at sunset when the Mediterranean lights up in shades of orange and pink. While the hotel does not heavily advertise smart tech features, guests can generally expect standard modern amenities like flat-screen televisions, minibars, and reliable wireless internet throughout the property. For families with younger children, cots and baby equipment can usually be arranged, and there are typically ground floor options for guests who prefer easier access. Accessible rooms may be available on request, and it is always worth checking directly with the hotel to confirm specific needs before booking. Moving on to the dining scene, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach follows the classic resort formula with multiple restaurants and bars scattered around the property. The main restaurant tends to serve buffet-style meals that cover breakfast, lunch, and dinner, giving guests plenty of variety without needing to leave the resort. You can expect a mix of international dishes alongside local Cypriot flavors, with fresh salads, grilled meats, pasta options, and a rotating selection of themed nights that keep things interesting across a week-long stay. For families, the buffet format is a real winner because picky eaters and adventurous foodies can both find something they enjoy. The atmosphere at meals is relaxed and casual, which fits the overall mood of the resort. Beyond the main dining hall, guests often have access to lighter bites at pool bars and snack outlets during the day, which is handy when you would rather grab something quick between swims than sit down for a full meal. Ice creams, sandwiches, and grilled favorites are typical fare at these outlets, and they usually keep the little ones happy. In the evenings, the bar scene tends to be lively but not overwhelming, with cocktails, local beers, and Cypriot wines featuring prominently on the drinks menu. Entertainment often accompanies the evening drinks, ranging from live music to themed nights that give guests a taste of Mediterranean culture. It is the kind of place where you can dress casually, grab a drink, and just enjoy the warm night air without feeling like you need to plan an evening out. When it comes to pools and beaches, this is where the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach really earns its name. The resort features multiple pool areas designed to serve different types of guests, with larger pools for families and quieter spots for adults who want to unwind with a book. Children usually have their own shallow pool with fun features like slides or splash zones, which keeps the youngsters entertained for hours while parents relax nearby. Sun loungers and umbrellas are spread generously around the pool decks, though as with many popular resorts, snagging a good spot in high season often means an early wake-up call. The pool areas are typically well-maintained and surrounded by greenery, which adds to the tropical holiday feel. The real draw here, though, is the proximity to Nissi Beach, one of the most celebrated stretches of coastline in all of Cyprus. Guests can walk to the beach in just a few minutes, and the powdery white sand paired with the crystal-clear turquoise water lives up to every postcard image you have seen. The beach itself has a lively vibe, with plenty of loungers available for rent, beach bars nearby, and opportunities for water sports like jet skiing, paddleboarding, banana boat rides, and pedal boats. Families love the shallow entry and calm waters, which make it easy for kids to splash around safely. Whether you want to swim, sunbathe, or just people watch, Nissi Beach delivers on all fronts and adds enormous value to any stay at the resort. For guests who like to stay active on holiday, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach offers a decent range of activities to keep things interesting. On-site sports facilities often include options like table tennis, beach volleyball, and organized games run by the resort's entertainment team. Fitness enthusiasts can typically find a gym area with basic equipment for keeping up with their routine, and the resort sometimes hosts group workout sessions like aerobics or aqua fitness in the pool. Tennis courts may be available depending on availability during your stay, and guests interested in racket sports should check ahead with the hotel to reserve time slots. The overall approach to activities is casual and inclusive, so you do not need to be a top athlete to join in. Beyond the physical activities, cultural and educational options are usually woven into the resort's entertainment program. Guests can often enjoy Greek nights featuring traditional music, dancing, and food, which give visitors a real taste of local flavor without leaving the property. Cooking demonstrations or informal talks about Cypriot traditions sometimes appear on the weekly schedule, adding a bit of depth to the sun and sand experience. For those who prefer to explore beyond the resort, the location makes it easy to arrange day trips to historical sites and traditional villages. Overall, the activities program is aimed at helping guests unwind while still offering enough variety to prevent boredom. Wellness options at the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach cater to guests who want to slow down and treat themselves during their stay. While the resort may not have the extensive spa facilities of a luxury 5-star property, guests can typically access massage treatments and beauty services designed to help ease travel stress and pamper tired muscles after a day at the beach. Common treatments on offer include full-body massages, aromatherapy sessions, facials, and manicures or pedicures for those who want to look their best for evening drinks. The atmosphere in these wellness areas tends to be calm and welcoming, giving guests a break from the buzz of the main resort. Booking ahead is usually a smart move, especially during busier weeks. For those who like the heat therapy side of wellness, sauna and steam room facilities may be available on the property, offering a nice contrast to a dip in the cool pool. Yoga sessions are sometimes scheduled as part of the entertainment program, held either poolside or in a quiet garden area during the calmer hours of the morning. While the resort does not specifically market detox programs, guests can easily create their own wellness routine by combining healthy food choices from the buffet, morning walks along the beach, and time set aside for relaxation. The wellness experience here is more about gentle self-care than intensive treatments, which suits the overall vibe of a family beach holiday. It is a nice bonus rather than the main attraction. Families with children will find plenty to love at the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach, and the kids' clubs are a major reason so many parents rebook year after year. The resort typically runs age-appropriate clubs that keep children engaged with games, crafts, mini treasure hunts, and organized play throughout the day. Trained staff supervise the activities, giving parents a well-earned break to relax by the pool or enjoy a quiet lunch. Younger children often have their own dedicated space with softer play options, while older kids and teens can join more adventurous activities like sports tournaments or evening entertainment nights. The clubs are usually included in the resort experience, making them accessible for all families. In the evenings, the entertainment schedule often extends to family-friendly shows, mini discos, and themed dress-up parties that give the little ones something to look forward to after dinner. These moments tend to become the highlights of the trip for many children, who leave with new friends and plenty of stories to tell back home. Parents frequently mention how the kids' clubs made their holiday feel like an actual holiday, rather than a full-time childcare shift. The resort clearly puts effort into making sure young guests feel welcome and entertained without overwhelming them or their parents. It is one of the strongest selling points of the property, and it shows in the guest feedback. Location-wise, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach sits in a sweet spot for exploring the best of the Ayia Napa area. Nissi Beach is the closest and most famous attraction, just minutes away on foot, and it easily fills a full day of relaxing or splashing about. The town of Ayia Napa itself is a short drive away and offers a mix of restaurants, shops, bars, and nightlife for guests who want to venture out. Families often enjoy visiting the Ayia Napa Waterworld theme park, which is one of the largest in Europe and makes for an exciting day trip. History fans can check out the Ayia Napa Monastery in the town center, a beautiful medieval building that offers a peaceful contrast to the busy beach scene. For those willing to travel a bit further, Cape Greco National Forest Park is well worth the effort, offering dramatic cliffs, hidden sea caves, and scenic walking trails with unforgettable views over the Mediterranean. Boat trips from the local harbors are also popular, taking guests out to snorkel spots or along the coast to see the famous Blue Lagoon. Shopping options in Ayia Napa range from souvenir stalls to modest boutiques, and the local markets are a fun way to pick up handmade goods and local produce. Larnaca and its international airport are within a reasonable drive, which makes arrival and departure straightforward. Overall, the location gives guests plenty of options without feeling too far from anything they might want to see. Taking a balanced look at the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach, the strengths clearly outweigh the weaknesses for most visitors, particularly those traveling with families. Guests consistently praise the friendly atmosphere, the excellent beach access, the well-run kids clubs, and the overall value for a Mediterranean holiday. The Scandinavian design touches give the resort a modern feel, and the pool areas are frequently highlighted as a big plus. On the flip side, some reviews mention that certain areas could benefit from updates, and expectations should be set realistically rather than expecting a luxury 5-star experience. Service quality can vary depending on the season and staffing, which is common in busy resort destinations. There have been some less positive reviews too, with a small number of guests describing frustrations that ranged from booking issues to specific service concerns. As with any hotel, individual experiences can differ, and it is worth reading a range of recent reviews before making a decision. That said, the majority of visitors leave satisfied and many return year after year, which speaks volumes about the overall consistency of the offering. It is a solid mid-range choice that delivers on its core promise of a relaxed family beach holiday. For couples or solo travelers looking for a quieter or more upscale atmosphere, other properties in the area may be a better fit. What really makes the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach stand out is its combination of a stellar beach location, a family-first mindset, and a design aesthetic that feels a bit different from the standard resort look. The proximity to Nissi Beach is genuinely hard to beat, and being able to walk to that famous stretch of sand in minutes is a huge selling point. The Scandinavian style gives it a distinct personality that sets it apart from the more generic properties in the area. Add in the strong kids programming and the welcoming atmosphere, and you have a resort that knows exactly who its guests are and delivers accordingly. For groups looking to host small gatherings, weddings, or informal events, the resort can sometimes accommodate these needs with its outdoor spaces and dining areas, though it is not primarily marketed as a conference destination. Guests planning events should reach out to the hotel directly to discuss options and availability. The relaxed beach setting can lend itself beautifully to celebratory occasions, especially smaller family gatherings or intimate wedding parties. Finally, when it comes to guest experience highlights, the memorable moments at the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach tend to come from the little things. A friendly greeting from staff who remember your name by day 2, a perfect sunset scene from the balcony, the sound of children laughing at the pool, or a spontaneous dance during a Greek night are the kinds of memories guests take home with them. Many reviewers mention specific staff members by name in their praise, which shows the personal touch that runs through the resort. Whether it is the first swim at Nissi Beach or the last cocktail before checkout, the Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach has a way of creating a holiday that feels genuinely restorative. For families seeking sun, sand, and simple pleasures in a beautiful corner of Cyprus, this resort remains a reliable and rewarding choice. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.